Welcome back, everybody. I'm on the Warlock again today, 23 Ram 1500. I am going to put these taillights. I did one already with it's Recon LED lights. Um, I did one just so you could see the difference of what the truck looks like. I mean, it's an all-black truck, and I just didn't think these looked right. And plus, these are a lot brighter. Um, it does work with the Taser DT with the light kit. Or, I had to grab the keys. So I have my quick button set to here. So these are what I would use for, say, emergency on that side of the road. So it does work fine with that, as opposed to this is the other side. The turn signals are scanning. So I have the hazards on, but that's what it does when you put the turn signal on. Yeah, the incandescent is just not. It's like using a candle. And there it is with the. This is the running lights on, like if it was to be driven at night. So what I'm going to do is here is I'll put the brake lights. I haven't seen them yet. I'll check the video for that. That's it with the light. So I'm going to show you how to remove the light on the other side. So there is two push pins, which I didn't see the first time. I mean, I obviously I stopped before I got too far with it. But here's one. I don't have the tool. I do have the tool. I don't know where it is. But I'm just prying up against this rubber weather strip. I'm lifting them out a little bit. You may have to lift the tailgate up a little bit, or not, just at least this here. And what I like to do is just put, these only go in one way, just get them back together. It's been super hot out here, but it's only like 80 now, so it's like a massive relief. This is why I'll put them together now. Almost there. There's two little like detents pull out. There's a little red tang here. You gotta push that up. Lock, I should say. Then push this down. I normally cut my videos, but I wanted to leave it to show you how easy it is. Push the lock back down. Just gotta line these two little push pins up. Pop in, and before you put the screw in, just put the plastic push pin back in. Not in right or what? I'll mess up my time frame. There, it's in. It is humid though, I'll tell you that. It makes you want winter, but then you don't want winter when it's here. Anyone that lives in the Midwest knows it just sucks. You never get what you want weather-wise. If you do, it's for like a day. And then usually you're working. And that's it. About cut. Go over here. And there you have it. So there it is. Tailgate closed. Say that it just blends in a lot better. And like I said, I like the brighter LED lights just for people to see better at night. So as you see, it's a super install. I mean, took me maybe 5 minutes, and it was the same amount for maybe a couple more minutes for the other side because I didn't know about the push pins, so I had to look at it a little better. But no, quick and easy. So that's what I like with some of these things. So until next time, we'll catch you later.